Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you have to avoid gluten, but you still love baking, well, this all-purpose flour blend from Cloud9 could become your new best friend. This one-for-one wheat flour substitute has made gluten-free baking so easy for me. The thing that I've learned about gluten-free baking is you can't just take one kind of flour and swap it out for wheat flour because it won't have all the properties that wheat flour has. You really need a blend to try to imitate how wheat flour acts in baking. And this all-purpose flour from Cloud9 does all the work for me. And I have to say that this blend of flours and starches, it is spot on. To me, it has a really similar look and texture to all-purpose white wheat flour. And it also has xanthan gum already in the blend, which is something I really appreciate because I would always forget to add that in the past. I love how there is no need for me to change a recipe. The taste and the consistency is going to be the same as long as I use this flour. It has not only been amazing for baked goods, but it works great as a thickening agent for any fillings or sauces that I'm cooking with. I have several friends that have to eat gluten-free, and sometimes I choose to eat that way too. So having this all-purpose flour blend on hand from Cloud9 is going to make it an absolute cinch. That's just my point of view.